this is Mark Newsom, Mr. Marketing. Welcome to this special presentation entitled 3 Things You Definitely Never Want to Say to Your Local Banker Unless You're Really Trying to Kill Your Chances for Getting a Bank Loan Approved. How not to force your local banker to say no to you. Okay, here's a skinny in this particular video, entrepreneur. You're going to discover 3 of the most deadly and, believe it or not, all too common things you should never ever say to your local banker. Unless, of course, you're seriously trying to kill your chances of getting your bank loan approved. Now, what we're going to do in this particular video is, as we lay out the 3 things you definitely never want to say to your banker, we're going to also give their interpretation of what you're saying, just in case, even though what you're saying may not be exactly what you mean, this may be the way it's taken. So take a look. Here's the first thing. Here's you. At this particular time, I'm just not really totally comfortable personally guaranteeing my loan request. Really? Well, here's the way your banker's interpreting that. This loser actually expects me to approve a loan on a business plan they don't even personally believe in the middle of a local recession with all this competition vying for their hard-earned depositors' money. They're supposed to go to the committee with that. Really? Here's a second thing you probably never want to say. Since my business or product or service is so unique, it's practically impossible for me to do an accurate forecast in terms of projections, and that's why I left it off the financial statement. Translated. You really have no clue when or how you're going to be able to pay this money back, do you? Here's a third thing, entrepreneur, you definitely don't want to say to your banker. I need to explain a few things that appear on my financial statement. Here's your banker's interpretation. Your financial house is simply not in order, is it? And I can see that loaning you money at this time would definitely be a mistake. Well, there you have it, entrepreneur. The 3 things, and believe it or not, all too common things you just don't want to say on your financial statement and or in your face-to-face personal meeting. Otherwise, your goose is probably cooked. So if you're serious about getting your bank loan approved, you want to avoid those 3 deadly mistakes. For those of you who want to discover how you can add an additional 25% more gross profit to your bottom line, do it in the next 90 days or less without having to add any new customers or clients, then entrepreneur, grab that free 9-page special report. Just head over to youcanmarketonlinenow.com/sales. That's where you get it. This is Mark Newsom, Mr. Marketing. We'll see you again next time on the Marketing Minute.